Hi, I'm Ray Bridgen, your Maintenance Director. I'd like to tell you what to expect when you bring your truck in for service. After parking your truck, you'll meet with our shop personnel. They will be your point of contact and will work with you to develop an initial diagnosis of your equipment issues and make appropriate repair decisions. Our personnel will estimate the repair time in order to give you information about when your truck will be ready. We'll also contact you when repairs are completed and answer any questions that you may have about the repairs. If you have any after-hour issues, our road maintenance staff is available for you. You can call them at 800-553-6812. While we're working on your tractor, we'll keep you informed about your truck status. Our goal is to fix your truck right the first time. We understand the importance of getting you back on the road quickly and in a safe, reliable tractor. When you're here in Tuscaloosa, feel free to stop by my office. My door's always open for you. By the way, please don't forget to do your pre- and post-trip inspections. This will help you find potential problems that can be addressed before they become major issues. And remember to always let us know if you have any maintenance issues. I personally want to thank you for choosing to be part of the WTI family. And if you're not, I invite you to check out WTI and see why so many drivers call WTI home. Thank you.